Have you ever Googled yourself before? No, you've not. You can take a 10-second break, head over to Google, type in your name, and see what pops up. When I searched for my name, this was what came up. My LinkedIn post came up first because I took my digital presence quite seriously on LinkedIn, and after that, my YouTube came up second, and then my Instagram. This shows you that my LinkedIn and YouTube are my top platforms for my digital presence. For those of you that have done this before, what did you see? Were you proud of the results? Was it an old blog that popped up or that controversial tweet from 2019? That's fine, because in today's video we'll be discussing why your digital presence matters a lot. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Dak Savitri and I'm your digital guide in making sure you're digital savvy. Now go ahead, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a video when next I post. Now we have that out of the way, we're going to break this video into 3 sections: the what, the how, and why. What is digital presence, how to build a digital presence, and why you need to have a digital presence. Section 1, understanding what digital presence is. We all know the world is more digital than ever. Your digital presence is your first impression. Before people meet you, collaborate with you, or even trust you, they would likely search your name, and what they find could either build credibility or raise questions. If you're thinking, I'm not an influencer, or I don't like putting myself out there, or I don't know what to post, here is a simpler way to look at it. Your digital presence isn't about being loud. It's about being findable, intentional, and credible. Section 2, how to build your digital presence. Most people think building digital presence is hard, but in reality, it's as easy as you think. Here are 7 easy ways to get started. Clean up what's already out there. You can start by Googling yourself. What do people see when they search your name? Remove outdated profiles, update your old bios, and delete anything that doesn't align with who you are or what you want to stand for. Your online presence should tell a story you are proud of, even in its early chapters. Pick 1 or 2 platforms that match your goals. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to post on every platform because it's going to wear you out. Choose platforms where your audience is active. LinkedIn for professional visibility, Instagram for creative work. Start small and stay consistent. Define what you want to be known for. Start by picking a focus. What do you want people to know you for? What do you want people to associate you with online? It could be your industry, it could be skills, it could be talent, passion, or even the career goals you're aspiring to achieve. Clarity will help you stay consistent instead of being confused. Create a simple, solid bio that reflects you. You don't need to be a wordsmith or a grammar expert. Just write a short bio that says who you are, what you do, and what you are about. Make it clear, authentic, and human. Because this is like your first impression online, you have to make it sound like you and not just like a job application. Post what you know or what you're learning or what you care about. Don't try to overthink content because you're just going to have a burnout. Talk about something you like, maybe from your work, your industry, or your journey. Even something you are trying to figure out. You can share resources, you can ask questions. The point here is to be present and relatable, not being perfect. Show up once a week because that's enough to begin with. You don't need to post daily. Trust me, you're going to get burned out easily. Just commit to 1 day a week, because if you post every day, it's going to lead to a burnout. Posting once a week, that is 4 times a month, to add value, build credibility, and stay visible. It's not about going viral, it's about being findable, intentional, and consistent. Be social, don't just post and ghost. When you see people posting things relevant to your niche or what you two are talking about, you comment, you repost, and you join conversations. Building your presence is like a 2-way street. You have to show up for others so that they too can show up for you. Show up where you want to be seen, especially in posts relevant to your niche. Section 3, what you gain from building your digital presence. Number 1, you become discoverable. When people search your name, they can find you and not just some random result or someone with similar name. That is how opportunities start. Number 2, You build credibility faster. Before people trust what you say, they Google who you are. A clear, consistent presence makes you look intentional, reliable, and serious about your work. Number three, you attract opportunities, clients, and collaborators. The more you show up, the easier it is for the right people to find you and connect with you. Job offers, speaking invites, paid gigs, visibility is often the difference. Number four, you stay top of mind in your industry. People will start to associate your name with your niche. Whenever they hear that niche, their first go-to will be your name. When your name comes up, they think, oh, yes, I know her for that. This is what digital presence does for you. Number five, you control the narrative. Your digital presence is like a story told your way. It gives you power over how people perceive you, your work, and your growth, even before you walk into the room. This is what your digital presence can do for you. Now that you know what a digital presence is, how to build your digital presence, and why you need to build a digital presence, it is time for you to start building yours. Or if you already have, it is time you take it more seriously. If this video gave you a little push to start showing off online, then it has already done its job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you actually Googled yourself. I'm curious to know what you found. Catch you in the next one. Bye and stay savvy.